Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essentials of managing your money better. Whether you're saving for a big goal, trying to get out of debt, or simply want more control over your finances, understanding how to manage your money is the first step. Good money management isn't just about numbers, it's about building habits that help you feel secure and confident. In this video, we'll walk through a simple, practical system you can start using right away. Let's begin by understanding why managing your money is so important for your future and peace of mind. The first step in managing your money better is to set clear financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve. Maybe it's building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or paying off a loan. Having specific goals gives you direction and motivation. Write them down and make them as detailed as possible. For example, instead of just saying save money, try save $1,000 for emergencies in 6 months. This clarity will help you stay focused and track your progress over time. Next, it's essential to know exactly how much money you have coming in. List all your sources of income, whether it's your salary, freelance work, or any side hustles. Understanding your total income helps you make informed decisions about spending and saving. It's easy to overlook small amounts, but every dollar counts. Make it a habit to review your income regularly, especially if your earnings change from month to month. Now, let's look at your expenses. Start by tracking everything you spend for at least a month. This includes rent, groceries, bills, entertainment, and even those small coffee runs. Categorize your spending so you can see where your money goes. Often, people are surprised by how much they spend on certain things. This awareness is key to making changes and finding areas where you can cut back if needed. With your income and expenses clear, it's time to create a simple budget. A budget is just a plan for how you'll use your money each month. Start by listing your income, then subtract your fixed expenses like rent and bills. Next, allocate money for variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Finally, set aside some for savings. Your budget doesn't have to be complicated, just make sure it's realistic and fits your lifestyle. A popular and easy budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, like rent and groceries. 30% goes to wants, such as dining out or hobbies. The remaining 20% is for savings and debt repayment. This rule provides a simple structure to follow and helps ensure you're not overspending in any one area. Adjust the percentages if needed, but use this as a starting point for balance. One of the easiest ways to save money is to automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each payday. This way, you're paying yourself first, and you won't be tempted to spend what you meant to save. Even small, regular transfers add up over time. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and helps you build your financial cushion effortlessly. An emergency fund is your safety net for unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small if you need to. Even $500 can make a difference. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible account so you're not tempted to dip into it for everyday spending. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and financial stability. Debt can quickly become overwhelming if not managed carefully. Try to avoid taking on new debt unless it's absolutely necessary. If you already have debt, focus on paying it down as quickly as possible. Prioritize high-interest debts first, like credit cards, to save money on interest. Remember, not all debt is bad. Some, like a mortgage or student loans, can be investments in your future. The key is to borrow wisely and pay back on time. Regularly reviewing your finances is crucial. Set aside time each week or month to check your budget, savings, and spending. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and adjust your plan if you notice any problems. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and helps you catch issues early, so you can stay on track toward your goals. There are many tools available to help you manage your money. Budgeting apps, spreadsheets, and online calculators can make tracking your finances easier and more accurate. Choose a tool that fits your style. Some people prefer digital apps, while others like pen and paper. The important thing is to use a system that you'll stick with consistently. Subscriptions can quietly drain your finances if you're not careful. Take time to review all your recurring payments, like streaming services, magazines, or gym memberships. Cancel anything you no longer use or need. This simple step can free up extra money in your budget and help you avoid wasteful spending. Big expenses like vacations or home repairs can throw off your budget if you're not prepared. Plan ahead by setting aside a little money each month for these costs. Create a separate savings account for big-ticket items and contribute regularly. This way, when the time comes, you'll have the funds ready and won't need to rely on credit cards or loans. Being a smart shopper can save you a lot of money over time. Compare prices before making purchases, look for discounts, and avoid impulse buys. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Consider buying in bulk for items you use often, and take advantage of loyalty programs. Every little bit you save adds up and helps you stay within your budget. Meal planning is a great way to save money and reduce food waste. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it when you go to the store. Cooking at home is usually cheaper and healthier than eating out. Plus, you'll avoid last-minute takeout expenses. Over time, these savings can make a big difference in your budget. Take a close look at your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Remember, the goal isn't to deprive yourself, but to spend more intentionally and keep your finances healthy. If you're finding it hard to make ends meet, consider ways to increase your income. This could mean asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or selling items you no longer need. Even small boosts to your income can help you reach your financial goals faster. Be creative and look for opportunities that fit your skills and schedule. A key part of money management is knowing the difference between needs and wants. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and utilities. Wants are things that are nice to have, but not necessary, like new gadgets or dining out. Being honest about what's truly necessary helps you prioritize your spending and avoid going over budget. Learning to wait before making purchases can help you avoid impulse spending. If you see something you want, give yourself a day or two to think it over. Often, you'll realize you don't need it after all. Practicing delayed gratification helps you make more thoughtful decisions and keeps your budget on track. One effective way to control your spending is to use cash for discretionary expenses, like dining out or entertainment. Withdraw a set amount each week and use only that for non-essential purchases. When the cash runs out, you know it's time to stop spending. This simple trick can help you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Your budget isn't set in stone. Review it every month to see what's working and what isn't. Life changes, and so do your financial needs. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect new goals, income, or expenses. Regular reviews help you stay flexible and proactive with your money management. Managing money is a journey, and it's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Did you stick to your budget this month? Paid off a credit card? Saved a little extra? Take time to acknowledge these achievements. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and makes the process more enjoyable. The more you know about personal finance, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, listen to podcasts, or follow reputable financial blogs. Learning about topics like investing, taxes, and retirement planning can help you grow your wealth and avoid costly mistakes. Make financial education a regular part of your routine. It's tempting to spend more as your income increases, but this can make it hard to save. Try to keep your expenses stable, even when you get a raise or bonus. Instead, use extra income to boost your savings or pay off debt. Avoiding lifestyle inflation helps you build wealth faster and reach your goals sooner. Missing bill payments can lead to late fees and hurt your credit score. Set up reminders for due dates or automate your payments if possible. Staying organized ensures you never miss a payment and keeps your finances running smoothly. Your credit score affects your ability to borrow money and the interest rates you'll pay. Learn what factors influence your score, like payment history and credit utilization. Check your credit report regularly for errors and work to improve your score over time. Good credit opens doors to better financial opportunities. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, and take advantage of employer matches if available. Even small contributions add up over time thanks to compound interest. Insurance is an important part of financial security. Make sure you have adequate health, auto, and renters or homeowners insurance. These policies protect you from unexpected costs that could derail your financial plans. Review your coverage regularly to ensure it meets your needs. Be wary of offers that promise quick and easy money. Most get-rich-quick schemes are scams that can cost you dearly. Building wealth takes time, patience, and smart decisions. Stick to proven strategies like saving, budgeting, and investing for the long term. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Start small if you're new, and focus on long-term growth rather than quick wins. Investing regularly, even in small amounts, can make a big difference over the years. Taxes are a big part of your financial picture. Learn how taxes affect your income, savings, and investments. Take advantage of tax deductions and credits where possible. Consider consulting a tax professional if your situation is complex. Understanding taxes helps you keep more of your hard-earned money. If you have children, Teaching them about money early sets them up for success. Involve them in budgeting, saving, and smart spending decisions. Use real-life examples and encourage them to save a portion of any money they receive. Good money habits learned young can last a lifetime. Staying motivated is key to long-term financial success. Remind yourself why you're managing your money. Maybe it's for security, freedom, or a special goal. Keep your goals visible and celebrate your progress. Motivation helps you stick with your plan, even when it gets tough. Having someone to share your financial journey with can make a big difference. Find a friend, family member, or partner who can support you and help you stay on track. Share your goals and progress, and encourage each other along the way. Accountability makes it easier to stick to your plan and overcome challenges. Building good money habits takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stay patient and keep working your plan. Over time, your efforts will pay off, and you'll see real progress toward your financial goals. Everyone makes financial mistakes from time to time. The important thing is to learn from them and adjust your approach. If you overspend or miss a savings goal, don't beat yourself up. Reflect on what happened, make changes, and move forward with new knowledge. If you're unsure about your finances or have complex questions, consider seeking help from a financial advisor. Professionals can offer personalized advice and help you create a plan that fits your unique situation. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Keeping your financial documents and records organized makes managing money much easier. Use folders, apps, or spreadsheets to track your bills, receipts, and important paperwork. Staying organized saves time and reduces stress when it's time to review your finances or file taxes. Insurance needs can change over time. Review your policies annually to make sure you have the right coverage. Update your information if your circumstances change, like getting married or buying a home. Proper insurance protects your finances from unexpected events. Don't let tax season catch you off guard. Set aside money throughout the year for taxes if you're self-employed or have side income. Keep good records of your earnings and expenses. Planning ahead helps you avoid surprises and makes filing your taxes much easier. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. Make sure you're prepared for unexpected events, like job loss or medical emergencies. Having an emergency fund, insurance, and a flexible budget helps you weather tough times without derailing your financial goals. Money management is an ongoing process. As your life changes, your system should evolve too. Keep looking for ways to improve, whether it's trying a new budgeting app, learning about investing, or finding better deals. Continuous improvement helps you stay ahead and reach your goals faster. Managing money can be challenging, but a positive attitude makes a big difference. Focus on your progress rather than perfection. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay optimistic and keep moving forward, even when things get tough. Take time regularly to review your financial journey. Reflect on what's working, what's not, and what you can do differently. This habit helps you stay mindful and intentional with your money, making it easier to reach your goals and avoid repeating mistakes. Let's wrap up. Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. By setting clear goals, tracking your income and expenses, creating a simple budget, and making small, consistent improvements, you can take control of your finances. Remember to automate savings, review your progress, and stay motivated. With this simple system, you're well on your way to financial success. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial future.